Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Shimmerz paints where I am going to use this inspiration. Now remember, make sure that you put in the comments my name and then you'll get a freebie. So I am doing tons of different stuff to this layout. And what we're going to start with is the color kit. Now I got February's color kit. And I am taking a little bit of swatching of everything of spun sugar to start with. And then I am taking 3 colors from the color kit for February for Shimmerz. The one that I'm working on right there, it's called Shimmerz Weakest Pink. The next one that I'm working on is Shimmerz Bubblegum Blast. And then the last one, which is in that light pink diamond, is Blushing Bride, and it's a Vibes. Now I'm telling you, I absolutely positively love all 3 of these and the way this turns out. And the paper selection that I am using here that you see me starting out with, I did do some gesso on it. It is clear gesso, and I placed that on there just because of all the amount of mixed media that I'm doing. Obviously, you guys know that I do like to do a frame within a frame with my layouts, and so I did take one of the Heidi Swapp's one of her new lines and put the blue around it to pull the blue out of my pictures, because I don't do all that much with blue, but I do enough to bring it in because I want to bring in those colors that are from my photos, and I'll get into my photos later. And so here I am. Now I am going to take my brush. Now my brush is 3/4 inch and I only have one of them, so you will see me take a little bit and wash it, do in the next one, wash it, things like that. The one thing that I do add into this is some water because I want it to paint and spread a little bit thinner on there, because this is going to be a heavy embellishment or heavy mixed media base with tons of embellishments on top. Now, I will tell you that the kit is the February kit from the Hip Kit Club. I love this collection. It has tons of Paige Evans. It has a little bit of Heidi Swapp's new one, and just all of the goodness to it. Now, Shimmerz, I ended up getting quite a bit in the mail. I ordered quite a bit, so I ordered the color kit, and I just saw March's color kit because it's been released. Oh my. Oh, that will be coming home as well. Oh my gosh. Oh, yoy. Oh, I love that kit. It is so going to be my kit. I got to make sure that if I have everything. I may have it and I may not. Who knows? With me and all of my colors, let me tell you, I got quite a bit. Yeah, I've got about 3-4 rows. I need like a second Roscog to sit right by my desk just for Shimmerz paints, because I have too many of them. I'm being honest. Look how pretty that is, and shiny. All 3 of those colors. You do see the splatters and everything. Now, you all are made thinking, what are you doing, Miranda? But I promise you, by the time this gets done, it's perfect. So now I'm taking one of the stencils from Paige Evans that is in the shop as well. And I am taking, unfortunately, I wanted to use a paste, and the one that I am using is no longer available at Shimmerz. It is discontinued, and I'm sorry about that. I just wanted to not use modeling paste. I wanted to strictly stay with all Shimmerz. So if you have any of the discontinued ones, they can be used as well on your layouts. It doesn't always have to be new stuff. That's why I'm not going to tell you which one of this is. I'm just saying that it is an older Shimmerz and it's from my stash. But I love how this turns out. So you'll see here in just a little bit on how it looks, because here I'm going to transition. Look at that. Look at the shimmer and the dots and the, oh my gosh, it is, it's just gorgeous. I just love it. So now the photos. The photos that I have is of my family. And I'm working in my family collection because the Hip Kit collection is perfect for this, to finish out my collections, or to finish out my photos for this particular event. Like I said on my channel, I have been doing tons of finishing up items in my stash that I've got like 4 or 5 photos left or 5 photos left or whatever. And that's what I'm working on. So I'm trying to finish up the family photos because this is the last set I have. Because as of right now, I don't have any new ones to scrap. And I may do one more. I think I may skip one more year. I may skip this one. And then when Josh gets back from his deployment, I will do another one. And then that way, my son will be home. My daughter will be just a little bit older. And we'll have photos for me to scrap. So I'm going to skip one more year. And then, but I am going to obviously get her photos updated. I do actually have to get my son's updated. He's still in, I think on my wall, they're from Stuttgart yet. So yeah, I got to update them. They're a little old because I think he's still in grade school then. I don't think he was even in, maybe his first year of middle school. Maybe it was 6th, 7th grade. One of the two. So, yeah, I do know that I have to update his for sure. But he's a sophomore. So he's only got 2 more years, and then I'll have the senior pictures on there because I know for a fact that I will have my senior pictures done here when he gets up here for Christmas. So here I am. Now I'm embellishing. Now I'm showing you a little bit about how this is going, and then you'll see me cut out because here's the thing. When you have a lot of this mixed media, so I had gesso, and then I did all this shimmering with 3 different paint swatches along with splatters. And then I came in with the spun sugar, or not the spun sugar, but the modeling style paste and with the dots. There's a lot of mixed media. You had to glue them down. And I was not going to have you watch me glue and stick, glue and stick, glue and stick. So yeah, I am definitely off camera after I get pretty much all of this set up and ready to go. A little of it changes, but not too much off camera. And I'm just placing everything down, and I just love how this turns out. This layout is super gorge. It's just, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I just love it. So if I love it, you guys have to love it. That's just all I gotta say. But here I am. I'm just getting little bits and pieces down. And you'll see me come in and start the gluing. And then with the beauty of YouTube, it is all done. Look how perfect that is. And I do get everything put down. Now I'm just putting in the finishes touches. The enamel dots, a few little pieces here and there to make sure that it sticks and glues. And then that's it. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Leave a comment down below. I would love to have you. And if you are one of my veterans, thank you for coming back and checking out my YouTube channel. I am super duper duper close to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and I will give you a hint. International peeps, they're getting their own gift card for a certain dollar amount, which is a pretty hefty one. If you guys have followed my channels before, you will know. And then the United States, I will let you pick between, I think I'll even let the international, I have to see which ones have international shipping, and then I will do that. And then the States ones will also get a choice between certain products too, or certain like companies as well, with a good amount. So make sure that you do like and subscribe to my channel because that is coming up. I am under, I think I'm at 1930. Yeah, I'm either at 1920 or 1930. So I'm between under 80 and 70 subscribers away from 2,000. And I would love to get that in the month of March so that I can now work on 3,000 subscribers for the rest of the year. It would be amazing. And I absolutely love each and every one of you. I always comment back to everything. Even if I'm a day late or 2 days late, I always try to comment back. Whether it's just saying thank you for your comment or answering any questions you may have. Or any of that kind of stuff. The sale shots are definitely coming up. You have to go check out the Shimmeringz Paints blog, shop, the Facebook group, all of that jazz. Because we post there all the time. And just to let you know, in the month of March, we are doing a challenge where you do a layout with no pattern paper. And that starts March 1, which is coming up close. So be on the lookout for what mine's going to look out in the month of March. Other than that, I hope that you have a wonderful day. I am doing a little bit of doodling here with some splatters, and that is it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.